Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on your ASUS ROG Phone 9 Pro. To do it, you just need to click on two buttons at once, so it's pretty simple: power and volume down. So let's click on them. Now the screenshot has been taken. It will show in the bottom left corner for a moment, so you can just not do anything, or you can click on the edit button. So you can, for example, crop it. You can draw something on it as well. You can approve here, so it will be saved. Or also, if you take a screenshot, you can simply delete it here, so it will not be saved. And all of your screenshots will be saved into the gallery. So go to the gallery, then you can see my screenshots are here. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.